Just ordered my ghost pepper Q burger from Quaker Steak and Lube. I'm gonna go pick it up. Thank you. Think it's gonna be hot? Ain't gonna be nothing like the Carolina Reaper. Pepper 8, I hope. We're gonna try it. Let's go get it. You wanna go with me? Come on. Let's go get some food. You wanna get something to eat? We're almost there. Almost there. There it is. Quaker Steak and Lube. I don't know if you ever heard of that. That's like a car racing themed restaurant. Kind of named after Quaker State Oil. Have you ever heard of that? I used to use that. Anyway, we're hungry, right, Rox? We would like to eat inside, but Roxy wanted to come, so we're gonna get it quick. It was only 10 minutes later. Quaker Steak and Lube. See it, Rox? It's probably pretty neat in there. Maybe I'll take a walk in there. We would like to eat in there, but like I said, Roxy wants to come. She didn't want to stay home alone tonight. Find this drive-through window. Ahead, all right. It's not. Is it on? Here we go. All right, maybe I'll go inside and pick it up so you can see it better. Let me go around the block again. Look at Roxy. Hey, Rox. You want to eat? Oh, the bell rang. I put my food in the bag. I seen the girl looking at me with a big bag of food. Let me park here quick. Dog's getting nervous. So am I. I'm hungry. Ugh, ghost pepper burger coming up. Look at all these handicap spots. All right, Rox. Move over because I gotta back up. It smells good out here already. Pretty neat, huh? Pretty cool, huh?
Hi, sir. How you doing?
Hi, I called an ordered online.
Online? Did you already like pay for it and everything?
No.
Do you want me to like, grab that for you and then bring you change?
Cool, huh? Quaker Steak and Lube. Bikes, cars, sports. Oh, look at that guy. Upside down. That's pretty neat, huh? Kurt Busch. Cool. Going NASCAR. Cool. Ah, TV in the floor. See? That's cool. Okay, good. Thank you. Two. Wow, look at this. Hello. Thanks. Ooh. Come on, we're gonna eat. We'll go home and eat. See me? See the food? Hear the music? See the darkness? See the doggy? Still smells good out here too. Let's go home and keep this food warm quick. Better be all there. Don't feel very heavy. Don't feel very heavy. Quaker Steak and Lube. Ghost pepper. 2 quarter-pound flaming hot India ghost chili peppers. Let's go. Back home. What we got here? We got, I think that's for the doggy. I think. Chicken and fries. Not sure. I smell fish. Did somebody order fish? Did you order fish? Camera lady. That's for the doggy. But look how small it is. Because she got barbecue chicken she likes. This must be fish. You know this fish? Mm-hmm. Yeah. It ain't bad, but look how small. Well, that was a kid's meal anyway for the dog. And ooh, something spicy there. Was that chicken for the dog? I ordered a ghost pepper double Q burger. That better not be it. That better be a mistake. It look like that on the internet. And what's here? Oh, fried pickles to cool me down from the hotness. From the hotness. Come on. This is supposed to be 2 quarter-pound hand smashed hamburgers with jalapenos and special India ghost pepper sauce, mayonnaise sauce. Let's see. 2 quarter-pound. Man, quarter pounds ain't what they used to be back in my day. I remember a quarter pound was a quarter pound. And this is supposed to be real hot, ghost pepper. So far, I'm disappointed, but the restaurant was cool. What else we got in the bag? Maybe there's extra sauce. Maybe there's extra hotness in there. Now, that's probably a tartar sauce. Juice box, is that for the doggy? What the? We might need a Budweiser tonight, maybe. Wet naps, I guess. I wonder if this is spicy. No, this is probably ranch. That's for the cool pickles. Cool fried pickles. Oh, a bunch of forks. What are these? Twizzlers? Ah! Twizzlers. Maybe this is spicy. It's vinegar. Vinigumbats. That's vinegar for the big fries, I guess. Let's try one of them first. Look at this. Let me see. All right, now let's get to the meat of this video. India ghost pepper, double quarter pounder Q burger from Quaker Steak and Lube. First bite. Better be hot. The meat is good. Where's the heat? Hot? Not yet. Maybe it's gonna sneak up on me. Remember when I ate that ghost pepper? A little spicy. Hey man, starting to feel it. Let me clear my palate. How's this look? That goes good with that. I guess maybe this is spicy for regular people, but it's not flaming and burning my ears. Look at the other hot peppers I eat. Maybe it's hidden in there somewhere. All right. I'll eat it a while. I'll come back. Try one of these fried, crunchy dill pickles and ranch sauce. It's a little spicy, that burger, but nothing like I was expecting. I'm glad, I guess. I'm glad. It was good. It cools you down, too. Hear that crunch. More hamburger, please. You should look at this on the internet, or I'll put a picture here. See, that looks a little bit different, doesn't it? See, didn't that look different? Are you gonna eat, Roxy? That's good. How much was that hamburger again? Where's that receipt? Wait. $9.99. Yeah, it says ghost pepper burger. All right, I survived. I heard they have a contest eating these things. It's like a hors d'oeuvre to me. Okay, that's all right. I don't know what these are. Rolling papers, perhaps. Oh, what is this? Toothpicks. Toothpicks. What are you looking at? Not you, you. Huh?
Looking at you. You want to try something else?
What?
The garlic chicken, it's more spicy than your cup.
Behind the scenes. Oh, is this, we got this for the dog, right?
Yeah.
Garlic chicken is spicier than the jalapeno Indian ghost pepper. That's what I'm feeling. That's what we got for the dog. She likes regular garlic sauce chicken, but ooh, you believe that? He was afraid of an Indian ghost pepper Q burger, and a kid's meal is spicier. A dog's meal. All right. Well, I'm trying it. We're gonna have to rinse that one off if you want some, huh? You're not interested. More beer, Igor. Ah, great combination. You know it. You want pickle? Everybody in the crowd? There you go. I like this. I'm not complaining. But I'll tell you, I still got that hot in there from the chicken, and that's bringing all the heat out. It wasn't from the hamburger. Give me a little sweat on that one. Cool for the heat. I forgot what this is. Oh, tartar sauce. Twizzlers. I thought they were straws. Well, they can be straws, can't they? Remember that? Remember them days? I know. We cut back. We had to remove the hole. There's no hole in them no more. No hole? Very tiny. Oh. I'm not gonna eat that with that. Well, let's dip this flaming hot burger in the ranch. Mmm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, mm, mm. Multitasking. These are good. I tried making them one time, I think. Not with these spears, but with round slices. All right, if you've never been to Quaker Steak and Lube, go there. It looks like it would be neat to eat in there because of the atmosphere, if you like that kind of stuff. Cars and rock and roll, sports in the background. Let me finish this off for you. It says best wings in the USA. Let's see what's in here. Oh, wet nap. Isn't that nice of them? Lemon pledge. And pledge of allegiance. Well, that wasn't too bad. That was good. It was worth the trip. It only took 10 minutes to get there. I'm gonna finish up these odds and ends. The burger was really good, but it wasn't scary hot like the ad suggests, or my experience with ghost peppers in the past. The kids' meal chicken was hottest. My mouth is still burning from it. Pickles are good. Fries are fries. All right, talk to you later. Oh.